guys, welcome to Mommy Food. This is a simple tutorial on making Kashk Bademjan. This is described as a Persian eggplant dip. Start by peeling the eggplants, coating them in salt, and leaving them sit for around 15 to 20 minutes. Cut one of the eggplants in circles and repeat the same steps. These slices will be used solely for decoration, so you can feel free to skip this step. Then you're going to rinse the eggplants with water and dry them completely. Fry the eggplants in a pot on low heat. Make sure the oil is covering most of the eggplants. Take the eggplants out, place them on a bed of paper towels, and remove any excess oil. Make sure the heat is low to assure cooking of the garlic instead of frying them. While continuously sauteing, add the turmeric and the dried mint. Once the fragrance from the mint is released, add the eggplants and then the fried onions. Now you're going to mash the ingredients together. Once everything is blended harmoniously, you're going to add the red pepper, cumin, and licorice and keep mashing. Add the liquid curd and continue mashing and stirring. This part is also just for decorating. You're going to saute the dried mint in oil on low heat. You'll know when it's done when the fragrance is released and the oil has developed a green tint.
سلام، شهناز هستم. خواستم یه نکته رو در مورد سرخ کردن بادمجون بگم. اینکه اگه میخوام بادمجون رو برای کشک بادمجون سرخ کنیم، بهتره که با شعله کم باشه تا در ضمنی که بادمجون سرخ میشه، بادمجون بپزه. اما اگه قرار باشه که بادمجون رو سرخ کنیم برای خورشت بادمجون، بهتره که بادمجون زیاد نپزه، چون در صورتی که خیلی بپزه وقتی داخل خورشت میذاریم شکل خودش رو از دست میده.